Hey, what's up again, YouTube? It's been a long time since I last made a video, so I got a fire lit in my ass right now, and I'm ready to make a video. So sorry it's been so long. I've been caught up with other projects. I have a music channel. I've been working on an album again, my second album. So none of that pertains to this channel, but if you're interested, I got a link below. But yeah, so I've really been wanting to update this T100 and kind of establish it more on YouTube. I feel like I'm paving the way for something different for two-wheel drive T100 owners, and I hope this kind of inspires you to do something with your two-wheel drive rig and do something cool with it. So anyway, pretty much picking up where we last left off on the updated T100 video is I got a custom 4-inch spindle lift from Custom Tube Works, and it's been a pretty solid lift. I really do need to spend the money to get the upper control arms from those guys because it kind of helps. My alignment isn't really messed up at all. It's actually pretty straight, if anything, but just for when I need to align it again, because I'm going to go through and update a lot of the suspension components. So I feel like it's going to need it in the future, but yeah, because it'll just help out with the caster angle and whatever those alignment terms are. But yeah, so Custom Tube Works spindle is great, and I've actually had this for over a year now, I think, if I remember that correctly. You can also click the link above here or there, wherever the thing is at, to watch me install it. It was a good time, really good time. It was a lot of learning for me to do, and that's learning I was willing to do. So and then I was just talking about the wheels and tires. The update on those, the BF Goodrich's, I mean, they're tried and true with every single rig, everybody's rig. These are solid ass tires, so I haven't had an issue with these. If anybody has any questions, these are 31 by 10.5 by 15-inch rims. That's the size of my tires I'm rocking. And then the offset on my wheels, I'm not really sure what the offset is, but it pretty much pokes out like one bead pattern or whatever. It's just the edge of the tire, so like one lug out or whatever, but I'm not really sure like what the offset is on these, but I like it. But the only downside to this spindle lift is it really does change your geometry. So like this is out like 1.5 inches more than, or like maybe 1 inch more than the back. So yeah, so an update on that is I never added the wheel spacers yet because I snapped, there it is. I snapped a lug nut going off-road, and I didn't know that it was snapped until I went to go change a component in the back wheel, and I saw it was snapped. I was like, oh, that's cool. So I changed out the lug, and it's kind of at like an awkward angle. So I need to get a nut and then like something else to suck it back in more straight. It's kind of at a weird angle, so I feel safe driving it, but it's just I need to fix that angle because it's not fully seated in there, screwed in. So I know it sounds sketchy, but it's been solid other than that. And then let me see here. So I finally lifted the rear of my truck. I lifted it about 2.5 inches, I believe. It's still shorter than the front. I still got that sag going on. I mean, you can see in the wheel gap, that's definitely 1 inch over what that has. It's definitely improved since the last video, but that I just can't stand the rear sag anymore. So I think I'm gonna end up doing it, and I'm either gonna get a 4-wheel drive rear end, and I really got to find somebody to fix that rear end, and then it'll already have the perches on top, and then literally just install them, and then I can put the stock rear shackles back in there. So for the people that were questioning me on that last video, I do have custom leaf shackles. I don't remember the guy's name. He's a cool dude. He has a YouTube channel too, but these are about like $90 from him, custom made. He doesn't give you bushings or anything. You have to order that separately, but I just wanted to get that, and I just reused the bushings. I wanted to see how this setup would work out. I was more curious than if anything, and I had money I saved up that I could just throw at this thing. And yeah, in hindsight, I should have just saved that money, and I should have just got either a 4-wheel drive rear end, or just have somebody weld on a plate for me on top so I could do a spring over axle conversion. So That's definitely in the works, to do a spring over axle and then swap that with the stock shackle ring, so I can shorten it and then I can be taller in the back. So, because I'm at technically a 4-wheel drive height in the front, it's just the back, it's struggling to catch up because it's underneath the axle. So I need to put the leaf over the axle. So anyway, that's on the agenda. I'm just gonna fully commit and do it. So, okay, you guys. Let me see here. Nothing much changed. I still got same old stickers, same old T100 stickers. I kept all the chrome. I really like the chrome look. I know it looks like an old man truck or something, but it looks really good. Yeah, it looks really good with all the chrome. So I did add some white LEDs in the housings, and they look good. Let me see if I could show it. Let's hope that worked. You still can't see it, but I have them on, the white LEDs. Yeah, that came out like shit, but yeah, I have white LEDs now. So yeah, that's really good. I like the brighter lighting than the 1997 halogen lighting where I could barely see shit at night. So it's nice. Added some clear housings here for my blinker lights. I think it has a cleaner look. I was thinking about changing this to a clear look, the corner lights, but I actually kind of like the accent with the yellow. It looks kind of cool. So I don't know, I might keep it. Plus they're trying to make me buy these corner lights for freaking $80, and it's like, that's not worth it for little plastic dinghies, so it's all good. Other than that, I've done no modifications to the engine. I'm keeping everything stock. I'm literally just going for looks with this build. I'm not trying to do any performance crap and whatever. So update on the Bilsteins. The Bilsteins are doing great. I have a really solid ride. And then the Crown, I think they're called, Crown, man, I don't even remember the name of these now. The extended brake lines are super good. Really nice. So I haven't had any issues with it. Bleeding process has been okay. So, yeah, let me see here. Let's check the inside really quick, because I don't think anything's changed. I'm trying to think if I changed anything, but no. So, okay. So now that we got that out of the way, all the updated stuff that I've added, and what I think about them, let's go into future plans. Like I already mentioned, I'm going to get the rear axle lift. I'm going to just do the leaf over axle conversion, and I'm going to switch my leaf shackle to a shorter one instead of the extended one like I have. So next plan is I'm actually going to switch out these rear view mirrors for the chrome mirrors for the SR5 package for the T100, just so I can match it with the chrome and black and green look that I've got going on. And then, yeah, I think that'll look fucking clean. So, and then next thing I'm gonna get is, I think they call these like a bull bar, but they go underneath. And then I'm not gonna do the full like brush guard. I'm doing just like the half guard where it kind of goes up and over. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do the half up and over bull bar or whatever, and I'm just gonna add in like little lights. I was gonna do off-road ditch lights up in the front, which I think might still look cool, but I'm definitely gonna just do those for now, because I think that looks like the best choice. I've seen a 2-wheel drive T100 recently on the road, a white one, and he had like a bull bar in the front, and then it had two lights in the front. I was like, actually, that looks pretty sick, so I might adapt that to my rig. So yes, sir. And then other than that, I'm really hardcore debating still. I've been debating this for a couple months now. If I should add a camper shell, like a soft top, or just like a real hard fiberglass tent, or if I should just do like a toolbox. And I'm debating just doing a toolbox, because I really do like having a pickup truck. I do haul my dogs around, but I'm thinking about in like bad weather conditions, like I like to keep my dogs in the bed instead of in the cab. They make my cab messy. Yeah, I mean, we'll see, man. I don't know, I'm thinking about the dogs, but I'm thinking about summertime too, and like, I don't really feel like lifting a fiberglass topper off, and that's just going to be too damn heavy. So yeah. So other than that, you guys, very, very short updated video of the T100. But yeah, those are just some future plans and where I'm turning around and taking this rig, and I'm gonna take you guys along. And yeah, oh yeah, one more thing. I'm still going to be adding the 3-inch body lift. I will be installing it this late spring, almost summer. When summer comes, when it gets a little warmer, we're still getting like upper 50s here where I'm from. That's a lot warmer than where everybody else is dealing with right now. But yeah, I want it to be a little warmer. I don't really feel like being cold and installing this body lift, because it's really like time investing, you know, to put the body lift in. So I'm gonna need some help welding, so I'll have to contact like a mobile welder to get the linkage for the column shifter to the transmission. I got to get somebody to help cut that for me, and then in that kit it has a little diameter like stick, metal stick, and then I just have to weld that in to extend it out. And then I need to have them weld in on the cross members on the bed, the bed, like whatever you call them, like bed helpers, overload bed helpers, basically. They just sit underneath the ribs. So yeah, but yeah, I am still going through with that body lift, and yeah. Other than that, I am running out of memory on my phone, and I've been wanting to drop a video now for a while on the T100. So please subscribe, like, and comment, and I definitely will be uploading more videos soon. I've just had to take some time off and kind of understand where I'm taking my channel. So I have an idea where I want to take my channel. So yeah, just thank you for watching. You guys have a good day.